I'm probably one of the only people in the world that can say this. Every single person on my team has over 100,000 followers. But if we lost all of our followers and had to start from scratch, this is the exact 6-step framework we would follow to go from 0 to 10,000 followers as fast as possible. And in this video, I'm gonna break down this 6-step framework in detail and give away some free resources that people usually pay me for. So if I had to start from 0, here's the first thing I do. Now, step 1 is to make a list of 10 creators in your niche. If you're a beginning content creator, you want to start by creating proven content ideas instead of testing what I call unproven ones. Now, this will help you grow as fast as possible because you're building on ideas that already work rather than guessing with ideas that just might work or might totally flop. And this eliminates one of the biggest factors to going viral, which is ideation. I don't think people understand how important the idea of the video that you're creating is. A good idea with a terrible video, like a terrible script or terrible visuals, can still go viral, right? The idea is arguably the most important part of a viral video. So this is what we want to focus on if we're starting from scratch, is creating videos on proven ideas rather than unproven ones. So finding proven ideas just means looking at viral videos and adapting their core ideas and styles to fit your niche. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find very successful creators in your niche that have maybe over 30,000 followers, 50,000 followers, 100,000 followers, who are consistently getting really good engagement on their videos. Then you want to list out 10 of these creators into an organized spreadsheet similar to this. So this is a spreadsheet that you guys can make a copy of for yourself. And you get the link to this whole document in the link in the description. You can access the spreadsheet when you go to the document, okay? But you want to create just like a tab similar to this, where you have like their usernames. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Where you have their usernames, you have the platform, and you have the link to their profile, kind of what I have here. Here's like my example, okay? So this is the first step you need to do, and this is the first thing I would do if I was starting from scratch. Now the question is, how do we actually find these creators that are crushing it on social media? Well, there's 3 main methods that I would use. So the first one is just to find one creator and go through who they follow. Now, most successful creators follow other successful creators in their niche. So an easy way to find a bunch of creators is to find one creator and then just go through who they follow. For example, if I go to my Instagram here, and if I go to my following, right, I follow a lot of people who are creating similar content to me. So what I would do is just keep scrolling and find and look at anyone that looks like, again, they create similar content to the account that you're currently looking at. So for example, Rico here. Rico creates very similar content to me. So what I would do is I would find these creators and then would add them to my spreadsheet. So to add Rico, I would just copy his profile link up here, go to this tab. Again, this is the tab that you guys can fill out. It's called Your Creators to Copy. Put the link to his profile here, put down his username, which is Rico Incarnati. I think I'm saying that wrong. Put it down here, and then his platform is Instagram, okay? Now, the second method to find these creators is to look at the suggested profiles. So Instagram actually has a feature called Suggested Profiles, which shows you accounts similar to the one that you're actually viewing. So to see these suggested profiles, it's very simple. All you need to do is, first of all, if you're already following someone, unfollow them. But all you need to do is just follow them, and then what you'll see is like this will pop up with profiles that are similar to the profile that you're looking at. So all these people down here have similar profiles to Rico here, and these again would be good people that I can use as my inspiration to put in my inspiration spreadsheet here and find my 10 creators. So for example, I know Adam here is all about growing on social media too, helping people grow on social media. Again, I'm a similar niche. So what I would do is just copy his link here, put him in the sheet, his platform again, Instagram, and his name here is Adam. Again, I'm not even going to try to say that last name because I'm definitely going to butcher it. And then you can almost go down a rabbit hole where you press follow again. And again, more suggested profiles will come up, and you keep doing this over and over again to find kind of your 10 creators that you need to find. Okay. And again, make sure they all have like pretty big followings and make sure they all average like a decent amount of videos or a decent amount of views, sorry. So for Adam here, he averages a good amount, like 14, looks like 20K. So he would be pretty good to put in the sheet. Then the last method I have is just to search for a keyword related to your niche on Instagram or TikTok. So what you would do is you would have to do this on mobile. You can't do this on desktop. So I have a screen recording here, but just go to like Instagram, go to the search button down here, and then just put in your keyword. The one I'm using in this example is content marketing. And then just go to the Reels tab, which is right there. And then what you're going to find is you're going to find a ton of creators who are creating content around the keyword that you searched up. And again, if I was searching up content marketing, a lot of creators that are talking about content marketing will pop up. So a lot of these creators would make really good to put into my spreadsheet for my 10 creators. All right. And there's you and me right there too, if you search up that keyword. Okay. So those are the 3 methods that I would do just to fill out this spreadsheet and to get 10 creators. So that's the first step. Again, just put 10 creators in the spreadsheet that have a pretty big following and that average like a good amount of views, right? Someone that you look up to, someone that you want to create similar content as. All right. So that's the first step. The next step is to then organize their videos from most to least views. So to do this on TikTok, it's pretty easy. TikTok has a feature where you can just do it right on the platform. So if you go to someone's profile on TikTok, you can literally just go to their profile, click most popular here, and then all their videos will just get organized from most to least views. And then for Instagram, it's a little bit harder. For Instagram, the only app or the only software I know at the moment that can do this for free is SortFeed. So SortFeed is a Google Chrome extension where if you just go to someone's profile, you add the Chrome extension, you go here, you say organize their videos from, let's say I want to organize their last 100 reels from most viewed. I would press that and then would go ahead and organize it. But right now, SortFeed actually isn't working. I think it's doing an update while I'm recording this video, unfortunately. So you could try it out afterwards. But that would be the second step, just to organize each of the creators that you find here, organize their videos from most to least views. Because again, you're trying to create and you're trying to find proven content ideas where it's essentially it's viral content. So if you can't organize, for example, if you can't organize the videos of the creators, let's say the extension isn't working, what I would just do is like go to the creators' profiles and just find videos that have 5 times more views than their average views. Because to me, that means that is a proven idea that's kind of a viral video for them. It doesn't have to get millions of views to be a viral video. To me, it just has to get 5 times more views than their average views. So again, Adam's views are maybe around 20K, so this would be a good video to put down or a good video to find. This one is about this Japanese storytelling structure. Okay. But that's kind of the second step you want to do. You want to just go through each of these creators, find some of their most viral videos, and try to use those apps to organize their videos. Okay. Then the third step is to actually put those viral videos from those creators into the spreadsheet. So what you want to do is you then want to go to the tab called Your Content Ideas, and you want to put down what is the core idea of that video, what platform was it on, what was the style of video, which was how was that idea was presented, how many views did the video get, what's their average views, and then the link to their video. So for example, for Adam's video here, his video is about Japanese storytelling structure. So I'm just going to put that as the core idea in this video. The platform is Instagram. And what's the style of the video? Well, the style of the video here, his is actually like a very good video where the style of it, it's almost like, I wouldn't say it's a talking head or any of these really. I would say it's an action while talking video where basically he's doing certain actions like riding his bike or drawing something in the sand while talking and demonstrating his point. So that's the style of his video. The views he got in this video was 310K. So 310K. His average views, I think I said, was around 20K. And then we want to put down his link to the video. So if I just go here, copy this, we'll have the link to the video. So essentially what you want to do is for every creator you have in your tab here, again, you should have 10 creators in here if you did step 1 properly. You then want to go through and you want to find about 10 to 15 proven content ideas or viral content ideas from those creators. Again, a proven content idea is just one that's gotten 5 times more views than their average views, and you want to just put it down in this spreadsheet under your content ideas. Then in the end, you should have over 100 content ideas in the spreadsheet. Because again, if you have 10 creators and you're getting 10 ideas from each creator, that's 100. And then once you have those 100 ideas, you now have 100 proven content ideas that have gone viral for these creators, right? That means they're proven because they're not just getting average views, they're getting much more than those average views. And then if you just post one video a day, you have enough content ideas for 3 months. So doing these like 3 steps might take you a couple hours, but this is legitimately what I would do if I was starting out from scratch, because it might take me a few hours, but then I'll have ideas for literally the next 3 months if I post one per day. So trust me, you want to do this. So this is what I would do. So that's step 3. Step 3 is just, again, find a bunch of viral ideas from the creators you found, the creators you want to copy, and then just put them in this tab called your content ideas, or just have, again, it doesn't have to be in this spreadsheet or in some sort of spreadsheet, just have it organized somewhere basically, okay? Now, step 4 is to write down everything. So my rule of thumb is if you haven't posted more than 300 times on Instagram, you still know shit about your industry. You still don't truly know which ideas work best, which is, again, what the video is about. You don't know what styles perform well, which is how the idea is presented. And you don't really know which scripting patterns are effective, which is, again, how the script of the video is structured. So to gain a deeper understanding and create videos that have the highest chance of going viral, you really want to analyze and write down these 3 things for every video that you have in the spreadsheet here. And that would be number 1, which is the core idea. Again, what is the video about? And we put that down here. You also want to write down the style, which is how that idea is presented. So in this tab here, we have some of the most popular styles that people present ideas through. Like, for example, a lot of people do talking head videos. A lot of people do B-roll plus text videos. Some people do split screen videos where there's like something on top while they're talking on the bottom. Some people do like an action while talking, POV style, skit, whiteboard, so on. Okay? So that's the second thing you want to write down. Then the third thing you want to write down is the script, which is how the video is written. And I'm going to show you how to get the scripts for each of these videos in a second. But if you do this for every video in your spreadsheet, I guarantee you will spot patterns. You will improve your content faster. I guarantee you that. Like, once you start to analyze 100 videos, you're going to start to see what is being used in each of these videos, what are the patterns, what are the common elements, and you're going to want to adapt those for your own piece of content, and it's going to make you a much, much better creator. I guarantee you that. You're going to, by the end of this, you will have a better understanding of what goes viral in your niche better than 99% of those other creators out there, okay? So it's pretty easy to get the core idea and style of the video. Literally, if I go to like this video, the core idea here is, I think I've actually watched this video by Adam. It's basically talk about Mr. Beast. I think his editor. So I'm just gonna rewatch this again, just so I could understand. So Mr. Beast, Chief Creative Officer. He has a content creation masterclass. Okay, basically the idea of this video was like Mr. Beast, Chief Creative Officer, explains, let's say, how to go viral. I believe that's what the idea of this video is. And again, all you do is put down Instagram. The style of this video is actually almost a split screen style here. So as you can see, he's talking on the bottom while this is on top. So we would just make that style split screen. Again, the views he got was 323K. And then his average views, I think, again, was about 20K. Okay, so it's pretty easy to get the core idea and style. The hard part is getting the script of each video, but let me show you how to do that right now. So the first thing you want to do is just copy the link to one of the proven videos that you want to get the scripts from. So let's actually do this one, the Japanese storytelling structure. We're saying copy the script here, or copy the link to the video there. Then what you want to do is you actually want to download that video. So to download any Instagram video, just use this site called Snap Insta. If you want to download a TikTok video, you're going to have to use this site called Snap Tik though. Okay? So in Snap Insta, all you need to do is paste the link of your video that you just copied, press download, And then we're going to be able to download the video just pressing that button. And as you can see here, there we go. It just got downloaded. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to use a software to get the transcription of the video. Now, I personally use Descript, and I'll show you what that looks like right here. So this is Descript. All I need to do is upload my file. And then what you're going to see is that we're going to get the transcription of the video here. Now, you can use Descript yourself, or you can use, honestly, any other transcription software out there. You don't have to use Descript. Just use something where you plug in the video, you get the transcription of the video out of it. Okay? So that is the third step. So the third step is for every video that you put in the spreadsheet, again, you'll probably have 100 or maybe 50. Again, write down everything about that video. Write down the core idea. Write down the styles. What you're going to see is like similar to the example tab that I have here. Look at all these content ideas I have here. I can see their styles, what's going viral, and I see that most of them is talking head, so I should probably do talking head too. And then I can also see the scripts of all these videos, and I can read the scripts, and I can see the patterns, I can see what hooks are people using, what are people talking about, how are they positioning their video. And I guarantee you, it's just gonna make you a much, much better creator from the jump. I guarantee you by doing this, you will be so much more farther ahead than if you just try to start creating like one video at a time with whatever idea pops in your head. And again, this is the exact steps that I would take if I was starting from scratch, try to go to like 10K or 100K as fast as possible. Okay. Now I believe our transcript is done here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this transcript, which is the script of the video, and then just plug it into the tab here or the column here called scripts for this video. Okay. So we're going to plug it in there. And let me just do that. Okay, perfect. Now let's move on to step 5, which is actually to go ahead and pick 10 videos to recreate. So once you have about, let's say 50 to 100 video ideas in this spreadsheet, you then want to go ahead and start to create 10 of them. So the research part is now done. Now we actually have to go ahead and actually create those videos. So the one thing I do want to tell you is do not copy these videos one for one, because that is stealing. Okay, do not copy the videos one for one. Even though you're taking the scripts and you look at the scripts, do not say the same script. Instead, what you want to do is just recreate the videos. You want to change up the hook, you want to change up the structure of the video, but you do want to keep that core idea the same and film your version of the video in a very similar style. So, for example, if I want to recreate this video on the Japanese storytelling structure, I wouldn't copy Adam's entire script here. What I would do is probably I would take some elements of the script, look at it. I would still create the video on the same idea, but I would change up about how that idea is presented and what value I'm kind of giving to the audience and what is the main takeaway of the video. That is kind of the stuff that I'm changing. Now, to help you with this, I actually have a prompt that will help you recreate videos that, again, that you guys can use by just getting the doc in the description. But essentially what these prompts do is you can actually upload the transcription of any script and it will change up the script based on the content template that we have here. So to give you an example, we have 3 different content templates. So these templates will create different kinds of videos. The actionable tip content template here will create a video that gives an actionable tip. That's a pretty short video, but it's giving a tip that you can do like right after watching the video. And if you want to learn more about these content templates and the type of videos they create, you can read the description at the beginning. You can see the formula for the videos, how the videos are structured for each of these 3. Okay, but just to show you how to quickly recreate a video, simply you want to pick one of these 3 here. I'm probably going to pick the secret hack / tip video. You want to go to the one that says prompt copy. And then to rewrite that script about the Japanese storytelling structure, I'm just going to copy this full prompt right here, go into ChatGPT, I already have it opened, paste into ChatGPT. Now there's 3 things I need to change. I need to put in my industry, I need to paste the transcript of the video that I'm trying to recreate, and I just need to put down the video topic. Okay, so my industry is, for example, growing on Instagram. That's basically my industry, growing on Instagram. Okay. The video topic was about a Japanese, I definitely spelled that wrong. About a Japanese storytelling structure. And then Did I still spell that wrong? Okay. I spelled that wrong. There we go. Then you just have to paste the transcript of the video that you're trying to recreate. So again, our transcript was here, or our script was here in this tab right here. So all I'm going to do is copy all this, paste it into this one where it says paste transcript, and then we just press enter. And then we should get a script that still has that core idea, that still has the main core idea, but the structure of the script should be different. So for example, this is our script. So there's a storytelling trick used in Japan that makes stories way more engaging and most creators don't even know about. It's called Kisho Kesu. Definitely mess that up. And the best part, it works without needing conflict or forced drama, making it perfect for storytelling in videos. Here's how it works. Then it goes to how it works. And then we have kind of the CTA at the end of the video. Okay, so I probably wouldn't copy this script one for one, but it gives me a good idea of how I can restructure this script and recreate the video, and what elements of this script can I add into basically my own. Okay, so that would be step number 5. So I would pick 10 videos, and then I would go ahead and recreate those videos, those first 10, and then I would basically keep doing the process again and again until we get to step 6, which is to post one video a day. If I'm trying to grow as fast as possible from 0 to 10 to 100,000 followers, you should be posting one video a day. Now, posting every day might seem overwhelming. I get it. And you might feel like you don't have enough time, especially if you're a business owner. But the truth is you can create a week's worth of content in just about 3 to 5 hours a week if you simplify and automate the process. Now, if you want to learn how to do just that, simplify and automate the process with the exact tools and automations that we use to streamline our content creation, because right now I'm probably creating like a week's worth of content, including like emails, YouTube, Instagram, in just about 3 to 5 hours a week. So if you want to learn all of our methods to automate your content, you can check out my other video. Again, just on automate your content. It's going to be linked in the top right of this video. So you click on that to go straight to this one. And I'll even put a link in the description for you to take a look at as well. Now, this is the 6-step framework that I would follow if I started from scratch and had to go from 0 to 10K as fast as possible. But if you truly want to grow your Instagram as fast as possible in 2025 and you don't want to do it alone, you don't want to do all these steps alone, and you want to add an extra 10 to 30K a month to your business through content creation, then what you can do is you can join the Vile Creator Inner Circle. This is our exclusive community where we will build your social media brand with you. We will give you feedback on all your videos and tell you exactly what needs to be changed. We will help you set up a simple automated funnel that sells your product, offer, or services for you 24/7. And we will give you access to all of our strategies, templates, secrets, and resources that we've built out for the last 2.5 years and that have helped us go from 0 to $100,000 for our businesses and helped us to go from 0 to 100,000 followers as well. So if you want to join or you're interested in joining the Inner Circle, what you can do is you need to apply for it. And to apply, just DM me the word inner on IG and I'll send you all the details and we'll see if you're a good fit for it. And if you want to go straight to my IG, you can just click the link in the description. That one will go straight to my IG DMs. You can just DM me the word inner there. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got a lot of value out of it and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.